Hello friends, here's Bert again, and I've gotten really tired of a master lock. I'll never buy one of those to secure anything important to me. So today at the PX I bought this Brinks, says new and improved, 2 times stronger, boron steel, 50% more rust resistant, 9,000 pounds cut resistance. That means you can't cut it apparently with the bolt cutters. 4,000 pounds pry resistant, okay, and max security. It's max security, and right here it says pick resistant. And there's a lot of stuff here written in French and Spanish, so that means it's probably really good lock. Let's see how it works. So let me cut this open. Okay, cutting this lock out of this package. I want to see how strong this lock is. Okay, so here's the keys. How are you supposed to get these keys off? I mean, if it's locked, you see that? That's crazy. I guess I'll have to maybe these keys are lock pick resistant or something. I don't know. This is a pain in the butt. This is one reason why I would never buy this lock at all. It's going to take me longer to get these keys off than it is to pick this stupid lock. Okay, well, let's pick the lock to get the keys off. Okay, so let me grab my favorite tools. Not with that one. Don't want that one. Here's the one I want. And I'm going to go with this tension bar, and I'm going to go with this one that looks like a key almost. And I'm going to stick this. This is a pretty heavy lock actually. Let me see if I can stick that in there. I'm going to stick this in here, right here, this tension bar. Okay. Remember, this is a pick resistant lock from Brinks. Maybe it is actually a pick resistant lock. Let me get my other favorite pick, which is this one, and just start pulling it out. I don't want to put too much tension on the there we go. There we go. I got the keys off now, see? Wonderful. Wow. Brinks, you're just as bad as Master Lock. Oh well. Remember folks, don't spend, this was under, I think this was like $6. So when you buy a lock, make sure that you do your research, especially if you're purchasing it to secure expensive stuff like tools, your motorcycle, your boat, you know, other valuable items. Don't buy a cheap lock, because it might be 9,000 pounds pry bar resistant. You can shoot a bullet at it, at a 45 at it, it won't open up. But I'll tell you what, this is $5 worth of picks, and you can have it open in less than a minute. Oh well. Wonder what I'll do with this lock now. Make a good, I don't know. Maybe I'll use it for a throw weight for when I go climbing trees. See you later.